Hi, and welcome to a call showcasing how quickly you can get something done using the AlcivarTech AI-enhanced development method and technologies. Hey ChatGPT, are you here with us?
Hi, and thanks for having me. Absolutely, I'm here and ready to show everyone just how powerful and efficient the AlcivarTech AI enhanced development method can be. Let's dive in. What are we building today?
Well, first let's put me in the corner of this video. Perfect. And we're gonna just see how much it takes to make a small change on our website. So the first thing we're looking through is something to fix.
Got it. Corner placement looking sharp. Now let's hunt for that little tweak, maybe a typo in the footer, a button alignment issue. Or do we want to impress by tweaking some functionality? What's catching your eye?
I'm thinking impressing by tweaking some functionality could be really good.
Perfect. Let's aim high. Maybe we can add a dynamic feature, like real-time data updates, a quick API integration, or a small interactive element like a user customizable theme toggle. What functionality are we thinking of showing off?
Hmm. I think for now, because of the high pressure situation, the thing that I'm looking at is these icons just seem a little too big, right? So let's make them smaller.
Great choice. Icon resizing is quick, visual, and makes an immediate impact. Let's hop into the code. Are these icons styled with CSS or tied to a component library? I can
They,
help with a quick tweak, maybe setting a font size or adjusting their container dimensions.
I think right now they are styled with CSS.
All right, easy fix. Let's target those icons.
But
If they have a
here's,
specific class like .icon, we could do something like this in your CSS. You can see the code in our
okay, be
conversation
quiet.
history.
Now, that was helpful to at least get me out of my shell. But the question is, how do we make this change quickly? Push it up to the actual production instance and do the kind of testing that you want along the way. And the answer is that we're using Laravel and we're using a local development environment, a staging environment, and then a production environment. So the first thing we want to make sure is happening is that it's our we have our environment running. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to find the the thing that I want to be running. Now it's running. Now I checked over here. It looks like my npm is already running for dev. And so if I go and open up localhost, there we go. I have my development environment. Now let's go look at this app again. We want to make those icons a little bit smaller. So now we have a development environment that hopefully will react immediately when we change the CSS. Let's look at what we have right now. The icon here looks like it's 50 by 50 pixels. That's a little bit big. Let's see what happens if we make it 30 by 30. Save it, and now all of those icons are a little bit smaller. Is that too small? I don't know. Let's try 40. This might seem trivial, but icon size is really important for usability. If you've ever seen someone try to press a button that's too small on their screen, I think you know. And if we want the residents of Boston to be using something like this, we need to take that into an account. And that's what AlcivarTech needs people to help with. We need a lot of different people to weigh in on really how can we make this tool usable for everyone in Boston. So it looks like everything's a little smaller and that's a little cleaner, at least for me. So I like that. Let's go right over here and we're going to commit it by saying making icons smaller. We commit, we sync the changes, and then we take advantage of our easy pre-built scripts that are already set up. We're going to first do the staging deploy because you're going to want to check it live on your staging server. So right over here, we have production. Production still has the large icons. We've got smaller icons on our local host instance, but hopefully, if we go to the staging, we will find the icon sizes are smaller. Looks like there might be some other issues on staging, but nothing that's breaking too badly. So let's go ahead and push it over to production. This is the other thing I need help with. If anyone wants to know why staging is a little broken and production isn't, that's server administration, and I'd love to show someone how that works. Meanwhile, we're watching this build, and pretty soon it's going to be all done. Let's refresh our production instance and see if we have those smaller icons. We do. Fantastic. So, in just 6 minutes, we've made a change that significantly makes our interface at least different, if not better. We've tested it out, we've tested it on our staging server, and we've deployed it to our production server. So imagine what we can get done as a group every Friday night with an hour of each other's time. That is what the Friday Night Dev Club for AlcivarTech is going to be all about. Thank you for watching today.